Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where luxury meets performance, and we give you nothing but the real deal. Today, we're diving into one of the most prestigious names in the world of luxury motorhomes, the all-new 2025 Prevost Luxurio. Buckle up, because this isn't just a road trip vehicle. It's a rolling 5-star hotel on wheels. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Luxurio screams elegance and class. The exterior features a sleek aerodynamic body with custom paint options that look like they belong more on a private jet than a highway. Built on the legendary Prevost chassis, the Luxurio offers unmatched stability, a low center of gravity, and an unbelievably smooth ride, even at high speeds or on rough terrain. Step inside, and you're instantly greeted with an interior that rivals the suites of luxury resorts. We're talking hand-stitched leather, real hardwood flooring, heated marble bathroom tiles, and a fully customized living area with smart ambient lighting. The living room includes an Ultra HD OLED retractable TV, motorized recliners, and even a fireplace. Yes, a fireplace in a motorhome. The kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream. Full-sized residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in wine chiller. Quartz countertops, soft close cabinetry, and gold-accented fixtures take the luxury up a notch. Everything here is voice-controlled, thanks to its integrated AI system that connects to your smartphone, tablet, or even your smartwatch. As for sleeping arrangements, the master bedroom comes with a king-sized memory foam bed, under-bed storage, nightstands with wireless charging, and blackout blinds that are whisper quiet. The bathroom is just as impressive. Spa-style shower, double vanities, and water-saving smart toilets. There's even a washer and dryer neatly tucked away in the rear suite. But what really sets the 2025 Luxurio apart is its tech. You get a full digital cockpit with a 15-inch driver information display, 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even a self-leveling system when parked. The vehicle runs on a powerful Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and up to 1,850 pound-feet of torque, meaning this beast can glide through mountain passes like a breeze. Storage is no issue either. With slide-out compartments, under-chassis bays, and optional garage space for your motorcycle or ATV, you'll never run out of room. And with solar panels integrated into the roof and a massive lithium-ion battery bank, you can go fully off-grid for days. Of course, luxury like this comes at a price. The base model starts around $2.4 million, but with customization, buyers have been known to take that number well above $3 million. But if you've got the budget, this might just be the ultimate statement of freedom and style. So who is the 2025 Prevost Luxurio really for? It's for those who want to explore without compromising an inch of comfort. It's for the business elite who want to travel with their office on wheels, or the adventurous family who wants every trip to feel like a first-class vacation. Here at Honest Auto Wheels, we've seen a lot of high-end RVs, but the 2025 Prevost Luxurio takes it to another level. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on wheels. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest takes on the world's most premium rides, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and drop a comment below. Would you take the Luxurio across the country, or is this a bit too luxurious for your taste? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.